The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, cursed the one who consumes riba interest, the one who pays it, the one who records it, and the two who witness the transaction, and he said, "They are all alike in sin." The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, at the farewell pilgrimage said, "All riba of the time of ignorance Jahiliyyah is abolished. The first riba that I abolish is the riba owed to Abbas ibn Abd al-Muttalib." The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "A dirham of riba that a person knowingly consumes is worse than committing adultery 36 times. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "On the night of Ascension Miraj, I came upon people whose stomachs were like houses, with snakes visible from the outside. I asked Jibril Gabriel, peace be upon him, who they were. He replied, they are those who used to consume riba interest." The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "Tonight I saw in a dream that two men came and took me to a sacred land. We proceeded until we reached a river of blood. In the river was a man, and on its bank stood another man holding stones. Whenever the man in the river tried to come out, the man on the bank threw a stone into his mouth and forced him back to his place. Every time he tried to leave the river, the same thing happened. I asked, 'Who is this?' I was told, 'This is the one who used to consume riba.'" The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "Riba has 70 branches, the least of which is like a man committing adultery with his own mother." The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "A time will certainly come upon mankind when everyone will consume riba, and if someone does not consume it, its dust will still reach him." The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "Allah will not allow 4 people to enter paradise nor taste its blessings: one who is addicted to intoxicants, one who consumes riba, one who unlawfully consumes the property of an orphan, and one who is undutiful to his parents." The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "When one of you gives a loan and the borrower offers him a meal, he should not accept it. And if the borrower offers him a ride on his animal, he should not ride it, unless they were accustomed to exchanging such favors before the loan." The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "May Allah have mercy on a person who is lenient when he sells, when he buys, and when he demands back his money." The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "The angels came to take the soul of a man who lived before you and asked him, 'Did you perform any good deeds?' He said, 'I used to order my servants to give respite to the wealthy debtor and to overlook the debt of the poor.' So Allah said to the angels, 'Forgive him.'" Once Bilal ibn Rabah, may Allah be pleased with him, brought some Barney fine quality dates to the Prophet, peace be upon him. The Prophet asked him where they came from. Bilal replied, "I had some inferior dates, so I exchanged 2 saw of them for 1 saw of these." The Prophet said, "Oh no. This is exactly riba. Do not do that. Instead, sell the inferior dates for money, and then buy the better dates with that money."